Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a healthy popsicle. Making blueberry yogurt popsicle. If you want to find out how I make this healthy summer treat, stay tuned. Make this popsicle, I'll be using Greek yogurt. So I'll be adding some tablespoons of Greek yogurt into the blender. You can use more depending on the quantity of popsicle you are making. After adding the yogurt, I'll be adding honey. You can use any sweetener of your choice. This popsicle, I'll be using blueberry. Blueberry is an excellent source of various important nutrients. It has vitamin C, K, magnesium, fiber. I'll add the blueberry into the blender, blend until smooth. When I'm done blending, I'll put the blended mixture into a popsicle mold. You can use popsicle tray, ice cube tray. When I'm done filling the popsicle mold, I'll cover and put into the freezer. It to freeze for about 8 hours or overnight. Finally, the blueberry and yogurt popsicle is ready. This is a healthy summer treat. I hope that this video is helpful and thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.